我想知道这个。
对. If you're in the market for a new truck, you may have considered importing one from China. With their reputation for producing high-quality products at affordable prices, it's no wonder that many businesses and individuals are turning to China as a source for their trucking needs. In this video, we will explore the advantages and challenges of importing trucks from China, provide some tips for successfully navigating the process, and discuss how innovative shipping solutions can help you save money and streamline the process.
It's still the case like your reliable supplier in China. So today, we are making a little tour of this truck. We have a client who needs it. So firstly, I'm making a little tour. I'm checking around and try to also see the quality of the truck. So here there's a used truck and also the new one. So here, if you need a used one, we have this one. The price is very good. Yeah, the price is very good. I will let you see inside of the truck. If you want the new one, here you can see there's a lot of sizes. Yeah, there's a lot. So they just put it like this without the back one. So if you need it, they're gonna give you together with the bag and so on. So you have to choose the type you want. If you want the one there is covered, or if you want the one like this is open, they can all do it for you. So you choose your type, you choose also the color you want. We will help you to make it happen. Thank you so much, and then don't forget to be in touch with us if you need this kind of truck. Thank you.
One of the primary reasons that people consider importing trucks from China is the cost savings. Chinese manufacturers can produce products at a lower cost than those in other countries due to their lower labor costs and less stringent regulations. As a result, you can often get a high-quality truck at a much lower price than you would if you bought it domestically. Variety of options. Another advantage of importing trucks from China is the wide variety of options available. Chinese manufacturers produce a range of truck models, from light-duty pickups to heavy-duty semi-trucks. You can choose from a variety of features and specifications to find the perfect truck for your needs. Despite their lower prices, Chinese trucks are often of high quality. Many manufacturers have invested heavily in research and development to improve their products, and some even use cutting-edge technology to produce the best possible trucks. Additionally, Chinese manufacturers must meet strict quality standards to export their products, which ensures that you are getting a product that meets or exceeds international quality standards. Importing trucks from China with Easy Trade Africa. If you are based in Africa, in countries like Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Ghana, and more countries like Chile, Peru, Brazil, or Mexico, importing trucks from China can be an excellent option to consider, especially when partnering with a reliable shipping and logistics companies such as Easy Trade Africa. Ivory Coast is the world's top cocoa bean producer, with 40% of global production, and the world's second largest producer of cashew nuts with a 20% share of world production. Ghana is the world's second largest producer of cocoa beans and the largest producer of gold. Brazil is the third largest global producer of iron ore, and Mexico is the largest producer of silver. Nigeria accounts for cassava production of up to 20% of the world, about 34% of Africa's, and about 46% of West Africa's 47.5 million tons of yam. These countries have abundant mineral resources, and importing trucks from China can provide cost-effective options for businesses looking to transport their products. Partnering with Easy Trade Africa can make the process of importing trucks from China easier and smoother. With their expertise in shipping and logistics, businesses in Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Chile, Peru, Brazil, and Mexico can rely on Easy Trade Africa to handle the transportation of their imported trucks from China to their final destination. Easy Trade Africa can also provide valuable assistance with customs clearance and documentation, which can be complicated and time-consuming.
它也属于重器，但是呢，它的配置要比豪沃尔要高。
这款呢？哦，这是什么？东风的。
东风
这东风品牌
这是品牌，这是它的车型。东风
哦，这东风啊 ，K2，这新款。
新全版。
哦，这是。
它的是它的车的品牌。
哦 ，OK， 看到了。啊，这是 OVO 了。
这是重汽下面的赛德卡。
赛德卡 G5。
哦，这
是270马力，配的多曼的发动机。
哦。
这个卧铺你可以感受一下，非常非常大。
真的。
没事。
哇，太舒服了！哇 ，This is cool, man. 那我这样 ，This is you should get your call here. Control. Sino truck. Oh, shit. This is cool. See? Still have space, you know? Just lie down here. You have plenty of space here. This is the seat. Sino truck. Plenty of spaces. Space is good. Flippy side. Budget.有大。
或者国5的可以定。
OK。
可以定制。
然后全部都是手动挡。
对。
没有自动挡。
这种可以定自动挡。
对。好了，是吧 ？OK。OK。哎，里面这些字了能改其他语言吗？因为这些都是中文，如果有其他会有英文吗？
这个得问一下厂家。
OK。
应该他们有出口的，他们应该也有出口业务的。
没有那个有
对。这种是因为它的 都是比较短的路程，所以
比较短的
他没有做那个入库。
看到了，
这5档圈。
这个就是和我们的小汽车差不多的那种。
对对对，我看到了，这个可以跑160。
像
像这种，你如果是拉导短的话，拉短途跑短途，然后拉轻。
You see the space here is very good, it's big. See? But there's not that movement like the one over there. The one over there, when you see it, it's like shit. But this one I think is good. And then the price is also good. It's manual. You see? You get this tag, this thing. To go down, come up. You see this? When the sun is coming up. Here you go to space to put some stuff. This one also the also space to put some stuff. Here you got the whole screen. Here you can put English, but you need to talk to the supplier. Put English and other language. They can change it for you. If you need this part in French, they can do it for you also. This is good. You see? This space, right? You see also the space. It's good. You see? Everything you want. It's good. Okay. So it's going to be a little bit like this. Okay, so this one here, the one they put behind, you can customize like that. If you need a big one, they can do it for you. If you need a small one, they can do it. This one you can customize it based on what you want to put inside. If you want a bit, if you want like open like this one over there, they can do that. If you want close like this one, they can do that. So that's why they put it like this, to give you the choice to make like you can put like big or small or the one you want. This is very good. This is very, very good. And then the price also is good. So if you want that, you call me and then we'll work on that.
OK， 看到。行。柴油啊，
加柴油的，不是汽油。
OK， 柴油 OK。
对，车基本都是柴油。
这也不对。
那不管，就是可以助燃。
可以助 OK。
他们国外不知道加不加料素了？不知道。
叫我。哦。因为很大。This is good. This is good. As you can see, this is kind of good.可以了是吧？没有。 哎，过来，这什么意思啦？
这个也是气码的，
我都去哦，
这个应该没有这样。
这个
是高级的，
都是气的，
对，这是往上调。
你看
啊，往下往下。OK。
根据人的身高，然后那个可以调。
座椅的高度。
哦
哦，对对对。
See my figure? Okay. 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 How do you move? Up, down. Up, down. Good. Even my feet is on you, my face is moving, so it's very, very tough. It's very tough. See that? Good. Then the feet up. Try to stay. See. Good quality one, okay? You don't think too much before you want to take this one. And then see this space, trim back something my leg.
这个你看一下，好像可，这个有那个吗？那这
靴上面
啊，对，那个红色的，那个红色的摁一下。
你如果上面
对
上面如果不想渗人，你
然后另外一边
放东西。
哦。
啊，对，你如果不想渗人，可以放东西的。
哦，可以放东西。
哦，对对对，放在上面，你就睡一个就 OK。哎，对。
如果有人去，你可以看应该吧。
一样。
头没问题是不是？
没问题，上面完全可以睡一个人的。
So you see here, there's two places. You can sleep here, you can sleep here. So if there's two drivers, if you are driving and the one is sitting here, if you want to sleep a little bit, you can sleep here and you will drop. Later you just can switch. And someone can sleep here, sleep here. I think it's good. It's good. It's good. Give you a confidence. And then here there's the inside, Wi-Fi, everything inside of the truck. I think, and then the space, you know, the space. It's very comfortable. I like this seat very much. Okay. Which one you need? Okay, now you see, the seat is comfortable. You know? When you put the air inside, it's comfortable. So you can drive for hours without any problem.
你刚才说，这油箱是400
升的油箱
，400箱的油箱，
那个800升的油箱
800箱的油，哇！
并且这个是减配。
然后你看
You see this one? Oh, this one like this one. So now we are going to check the one over there. You see how big is one? So we check this one too. To give you more options. Oh, okay. 你要来给我拍一张。
And then you see the tank is very, very big. So this is 这80吗
800
So 800 liter. Wow, see. You say walk 800 liter. So it's even bigger than this one. This is
4
so this one is 400 liter. 400 liter, but this one is 800. So you have your choice. Either you take this one or you take this one. So you make your choice. This one is 400 liter and this one is 800. Also got this system is very good. So you move slowly inside. As I said, if you want they put something in the back, give the type, because they can customize it. They can customize the bag. They can make it or bigger or smaller based on what you want. They can do that. So here you can see it's very good. Okay, you see this is very good because it got very high quality. I will show you. See, high quality, and then the engine. You see the engine is all the way inside. All the way inside there is the engine. See how big is that? So this is very high quality. It's very good. So what we're gonna do now, we try to move inside and let you see the system they have inside. It's very good quality and very high quality. I will let you see. So here there's something very special about this one. You see here there's a box. You can put everything inside, like if you want to put a little water, a little cup, a little stuff you think you cannot fit inside. They make this part specially to put all the stuff inside. And then how to open, very simple. How to open is very simple. You put your hand like this, then you put it down like this. Once you put it down, put your hand here, push, and that's it. You have the whole space. Okay, so this one you see how deep is that. So here you can put all of it. You see on my hand now. This is $1 you see? On my hand is more than 1 meter. So it's very deep. And then it's also big. So here, if you have this truck, you can put all the stuff you want inside, like all the little stuff. Like if you want to put this one, you see this one how big is that? But you can go inside, and then there's still space. You know? Very big. So this is one of the very special part of what you take one thing in here now. Okay, this car, this truck has been produced this year. So this is good quality. If you want this one also, I'm telling you, you're not losing your deal on this. This is very good. You see that? See? When you close like this, voila. Okay, so we move inside now. I will let you see inside. So to move inside is the same as all the trucks. Move inside like this. Wow. Wow. You see? You got also the same system, you saw? See this system? Very cool. It's very good. How to hold that? Very cool. And then here you can even open it. See? Wow. See? You see? Hello outside. Very big. See how big? So you can come to play basketball here. No problem. Okay? And then you can come here now. Close it. And then you're okay. Close it up. Got it, 2 beds. This is one. See, still like this. Wow, see? Very big. Very big. It's white. See here? The same as this one, see? This one you use, pull this part, pull this part, like this. And you have your bed. You have another bed. Don't have this there. And you have another bed. Very good. So you close it. Voila. It's good. So here you got all the stuff. This one will break. This one. Everything. But you see, more stuff in the back. And put some stuff here. Oh, see, like this. Like this. Same here. Like this. So here you can put the little stuff here. Here you are USB, portable, USB, and all the thing you have here, all the information you need. This is for the light. Yeah. And then you have a big screen.
没有，这款没有，
是。
这款没有，真没有。
真的假的？
OK。
So here you can see, right? This is under the bed. You have a lot of spaces. Like 1, 2, 3 spaces. You can put everything you want inside. So here, what do you do that? Good one. Here. Function.
可以在里面打开和外面打开。
Okay, so here you can open inside and outside also you can open. So this is good. So you can put a ton of things here. A lot of things. And then here you can put your music. You want to listen your music, everything you can put it here. You can listen music for the whole. Or there's a Bluetooth. You can put it music up, down, all there is and everything. So that's it.
蓝牙电话。
So here you see.
对，蓝牙
地址巡航，
电话。
Exactly, like here you can call.
定位方向
对
盘，
多功能
地址巡航。
Yeah. See this one. It's very good. All this network here.
还有倒车影像4方位的影像。
好，就是这种的。Okay, this is used car. It's a used one. The quality is still good, as you can see. Quality is still good. Okay. 这边。Okay, so just I'll let you see this one inside. So the inside is like this. This is the storage. So, okay. Put the camera right through. Okay. This price is very good. Okay, this is a very cheap one. If someone needs it, please let me know. Everything inside it just like this. Very good one.